Alright, that is room, house, very old carpet, have to remove everything, have to remove carpets, linoleum, and it's in the beginning of project. Remove all carpet, okay. Yeah, I need to do some work here. Carpet, it's not bad, but I just don't like carpet to be here. Yeah. Remove. Okay. To remove carpet. Alright. So it is a regular room, bedroom with closet, carpet. Try to remove carpet and install laminate. We'll see why contractors charge us so much for install laminate. I think it's so easy. I never done anything like this. I will try it. We'll see how it will go. First, demolition. Have to remove everything. First, we'll have to remove boards. Okay, just have to cut that sealant. Okay. Cut it. You can use a tool. Go under. Just like this. That way you'll remove the boards. Okay, how to start removing carpet? Alright, let's see. Here I actually have like space. That's good space. You just need something, grab it. Okay, let's try with that one. Alright, you see, it's so easy to remove carpet. Unbelievable. Easy. Okay, let's see. Okay, just like that. So easy to remove carpet. Alright. Take probably like 5 minutes, maybe less. Alright, done. Removed carpet from that room. Took me amateur, never done it before, maybe like, I don't know, 7 minutes or so. Something like that, very fast. And right now I have to remove that boards with nails. It's also no big deal. Alright. To remove that carpet holders, nails, just use chisel and a hammer. Very easy to do. It's very easy job. I don't know, every teenager will do probably. I don't know why contractors charge us so much. Okay, removing boards. Very easy procedure. First you do cuts on a sealant here. Okay, and use hammer. This one. And just pull it, like pull it out everything. Alright, see all boards come out, very easy. All boards come out, just couple seconds, take me. Alright, it took me like, I don't know, 10 minutes, maybe less, to remove all boards. And if you don't want to remove boards, You don't have to, you can just buy another one, triangle one. You make additional boards after you finish with your floor, laminate. Well, thank you for looking, good luck. Okay, we'll start to laminate. I never done that before in my life. Let's see how good I will be. I will choose that under laminate. It's very good cushion in moisture protection. It's like 15 bucks roll. It's plenty here. And I choose that wood looking laminate, 12.3 millimeter thick. I don't know, sometimes contractors, like my contractor said, listen, 12 mils, I can do it for you for 2 bucks 69 cents, something like that. I find in a store like 99 cents for square foot. I mean, so cheap. Okay, 15 years, something like that. Okay, let's see what we'll do. On the top are very good instructions how to do it. Make sure it's clean, everything ready, dry. Okay. It's easy to understand what it's saying, what you have to do. We'll see. Let's have sticky strip over here to get them together. Rolls, just don't overlap it. Yeah, it's easy to do. Alright, thank you for looking. To start loading laminate floor. Okay. Alright, put that laminate together. You can use that brick, and better don't put all the way down because that joint's a little bit weak if you snap on them with hammer. Better to put like against all unit. Hammer if you need it. Look like that work better. Thank you. Alright, it's not hard at all to do it. Never done it before. Okay, if you take laminate like 45 degrees, something like that. Put this together and down. Right. Perfect. Joint's good. And can use shoe, hammer. Alright, just so smooth, you don't feel any joints here, very smooth. It's very easy. That is one bedroom. I did laminate floor, just left boards to install. And it's very easy actually. It took me about half day or something like that, and I never done that before at all. But right now it's look like laminate made, so easy to put them together. Yeah, that little bit was tougher. It's smaller area, just to use like small space here, just use sealant, it'll be fine. But actually, like anybody can do it. It's if you got right tools, especially. I don't have right saw. I have to use regular saw. But I mean, if you have right tools, you can do that very fast, and it's actually save lots of money. Yeah, laminate floor looks nice, looks good. Take me about half day to do it. Well, thank you for looking. Good luck. Yeah, it's tile starting laying it on. It's good. Looks good. Okay, nice. Alright. Awesome. Alright. Work going on. Yeah, works going on. Tile is laying on the floor. I hope soon will be ready. We'll see. Looks very nice. But it's just portion. Yeah, it's for tile preparation. Tile supposed to be tile. Mortar done. For mortar. Yeah, these guys professionals. It looks very good. Nice.
¿Cuántas bolsas de cemento hay?
The installation. It's very good. That is fast tile installation, very good. Yeah, work's going on, it's good, looks much better, nice, okay, great. Yeah, project going on, floor on bathroom, tile, hope will be done soon, okay, and that's it, this looks nice. Tile on the floor. Almost done here. Little bit left. Got the spacers between tile. You can see here. It's important to have them. When you loaded mortar in tile, usually need about overnight to dry out in cutting position. That is tile cutting machine. Yeah, cut tile very easy, very fast. Very fast and easy. Nice to have that machine while you're doing tile. It's ceramic tile, cuts very easy. Alright, all repairs on the floor done. Tile on big room. That's different type tile. Looks very nice, good work. Yeah, joints nice. Okay, that is kitchen. It's good. To do little boards here. The rest is nice. Okay, that is tile here and laminate here. Looks nice. Okay. Alright, so this is another restroom. It's a big difference when you have nice floors. That's good. Yeah, good job. Done.